Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today is the first Tuesday of September, which is the 7th, and would you believe it's time for September's giveaway. Now this month is a really special month for me because it's my birthday this month. The 24th of September is going to be my birthday. Woo-hoo! So this giveaway will run from today and it closes on the 25th, and the winner will be announced on the 28th, I think. 28th, on Tuesday the 28th of September, the winner will be announced. All the rules apply and they're all in the description box below. As always, it is worldwide. You need to be 18 or over. If you have to pay taxes when you at your end, then that is your responsibility. I will just pay for the postage to get the to get your prize sent to you. And I bet you want to see what this month's giveaway is. Well, as we're moving into fall now, autumn here in the UK, I decided that I'm going to give Deramores. It's Deramores Chunky Anti-Pilling yarn. It's 100% acrylic. There's 87 yards, 6.5 to crochet hook, a 9mm knitting needle, and it's called Aquamarine. And you've got 3 of those, which you will get. I'm sure you will get a hat and maybe a small cowl. So you've got 3 of those. So you've got how many yards did I say? 87. 8, 16, 24, 240, 261, I think, 261 yards you've got there. I'm also throwing in a 6.5 crochet hook. And we've got a little note stickers. Just a tip for you, when you're doing your crocheting, and you're, you've got a couple of whips on the go, use one of these if you're going to put it away and park it, as I say, in a garage until, just mark on here what crochet hook you're using and stick it in the bag. And then you know exactly then, if you're going to go back to it in, say, a couple of weeks' time or a couple of months' time, you know exactly what hook you're using. So that's a good little tip. So you've got these stickers, little booklet of stickers, the crochet hook. You've also got a pen, and I thought I'd do green. Oh, I've got hair on my face. So you've got this little shell, and you've got this little green gemstone. Your crochet, not crochet hooks, stitch markers. So what do I need from you? I need for you to like. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You must let me be able to see that you are subscribed to my channel. So there'll be a description down below of how you can do that, so I can look to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And I need you to put the word Aquamarine, AQUAMARINE, and I'll put it here so you can see. So that's the word I need you to incorporate in your comment, Aquamarine. And all the rules and regulations will be down below. I must say that this is nowhere, the YouTube are not affiliated with this. I bought this yarn out of my own money, and I look forward to seeing your comments, see what you've come up with the word aquamarine. And as I said, it will finish at 12 midnight here in the UK on the 25th of September, the day after my birthday. So all that's left for me to say is good luck, everybody. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Until next time, bye for now.